Namaskaram. Welcome to the 6th episode of What Are We Capable Of? Today is 10th of May, and as you guys know, today is Mother's Day. What is Mother's Day? Like, every day is her day, man. Like, one day we dedicate for her, we take selfies. That's not done. We must respect her every day. We must ask her few questions every day. We must know her every day. So, what we think of a special day is just to give her some gratitude and just to know her. We celebrate this day as Mother's Day. So on this occasion of Mother's Day, let us know how good we know our mother. So I had circulated one Google form to all the mothers of all the persons sitting over here, and I have few answers with me. And for fun, and just to know how good we know our mother. Uh, Today we are going to do a different kind of quiz over here. Now the question would be for all the persons in this video, and answer would be given by all of you, even though the answers would be different because it's your mothers. So it would depict how good we know our mother, right? So the first question for you guys is, what is your mother's favorite food?
What if she's foodie? I can't write the whole menu, no.
No, you don't need to write the whole menu. You're just supposed to write the favorite food. And time's up. Now, just going by chronology, I have Lilavati in my video as number 1, Ashwin as number 2, 3rd as Ruchita, 4th as Akhil, 5th as Vishak, and 6th as Cheryl. So let's see your answers. Leela.
Rice and small onion sambar.
Yeah, you're right. You get 1 point. Ashwin? Chaat. Okay. Ruchita?
I think it's biryani.
Which biryani? Because it's specified.
Mutton, probably.
Yes,
mutton
it's
biryani.
mutton biryani. Good going, guys. Akhil.
Fish and mutton.
Good. Vishak.
Pav bhaji.
Yes, correct. Cheryl.
Chinese cuisine hai. Usme I'm not sure. Maybe fried rice. I now don't ask
Good
me what
going,
kind of
guys.
fried rice.
We know our mothers very well, and we have scored 1 point. Going to the next question. What is your mother's favorite color?
Color.
Yeah.
Picture लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Hands up. Leela.
Red.
Yes, it's red. Ashwin.
Difficult.
Sorry?
Difficult है फिर भी blue.
Yes, Ashwin, it's blue. Suchita.
It's red.
Red. Akhil.
Blue.
Blue. Vishak.
Pink.
Yes, it's pink. Cheryl.
मैं उसको ऑलरेडी भेजा
Cheryl, mute में.
Either purple or violet. Not sure.
इधर नहीं चलेगा, कोई एक बोल.
अरे यार. मम्मा ने कौन सा लिखा था कलर? I don't know. Okay, I'll go for purple.
Yeah, good guess. It's purple. What is your mother's childhood name? My good going, good dancing. Hands up. Leela.
Tangam.
Yes, it's Tangam. Ashwin.
एक सेफ वाला भी लिखा है और एक ऑप्शनल भी लिखा है.
दोनों पता क्या है?
केरलेट रहेगा तो अम्मू तो बोल ही सकते हैं.
तो सारा केरलाइट का होता है ना. और
कोई पूरा केरला का ही है. दूसरा गिरी लिखा है, गिरी.
Yes, it's Giri. Anjita.
Yeah, I also have two names. Her name is Moshumi, so in short it is called as Mo.
Okay.
It can be Budi.
Yeah, it's Budi. Akhil.
Mom's name is Lekha, so if I'm not wrong, the way nicknames go at my home, it should be Lekhu.
Good guess, Akhil. Good guess. I think this one is difficult for Vishak. Yeah, Vishak.
It should be Ammu ya Shilu.
No, it's wrong. The answer is Chinnu. Even I didn't know. Cheryl.
It can be Suj or Suja. I don't know. Her name is Suja. So फिर Suj or Suja.
No. Auntie,
No?
please reveal the answer.
What is your pet name? What was your pet name? Bachpan.
Sudha.
Yes. What? I don't know her.
No, actually, I was being called by that by only my uncle.
Whatever.
So nobody knows that.
So going on to the next one. What is your mom's favorite sweet? Leela.
चमचम.
आंटी आंसर नहीं बता रही है ना?
नहीं रे बाबा, हम लोग साथ में बैठ के लाते हैं, हम लोग ही खाते हैं.
मैं जाऊँ?
मैं नहीं बताएगी. नहीं बैठो.
अश्विन.
मेरे को काम है.
मेरे को लग रहा है बंगाली स्वीट.
अम्माई प्लीज रिवील.
मुझे याद नहीं आया, मैंने जिलेबी लिखा बट ये भी है.
ये काउंट होना चाहिए.
Ruchita.
Being a Bengali, it has to be Rasgulla.
Yes, it does Rasgulla. Akhil.
She eats all kind of sweets, but specific मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. But
That's
still I'll
exactly
go with
what she has
chocolates.
written. Nothing specific, all the sweets. Vishak.
शुगर बोलना चाहिए था.
It's halwa.
No, Vishak, it's gulab jamun. Cheryl.
That's not possible.
वो तो the list goes on. So is it gulab jamun?
No. I think even you like this the most.
Oh, Lebanese sweet?
Yes, it is Lebanese. I won't give you the point.
Yeah, at least I guess the right thing. Anyway, I have a sweet tooth. I have the list. उसमें से अगर सही guess किया तो ये point हो जाता है.
Okay, so next two questions are like very simple ones, but I don't know. Many of us don't know whether it's what she wants. So, what is your mother's dream job? ये आंसर नहीं बताने का आंटी.
क्या हुआ?
गूगल मत कर.
अरे मैं मॉम का स्वीट गूगल किधर करेगा मैं?
या लीला.
Advocate.
No. Auntie, what is the dream job?
Teacher.
Yes, it is.
I wanted to become a teacher.
अब दिन भर वकालत करती है, इसके लिए मेरे को लगा वकील रहेगी करके.
Akhil.
Whichever organization she works for, she has to give her full in that organization.
सच बता, तूने और तेरे माँ ने कुछ डिस्कस किया था क्या रे कॉल से पहले? क्या क्या आंसर दिया? That's exactly what she has written. Working for my organization.
No call. आज सुबह से कोई कॉल हुआ नहीं है, खाली तूने जो फॉर्म भेजा वो भेजा उधर डायरेक्टली. आज कोई कॉल नहीं हुआ सुबह से.
Okay, we trust you. Ashwin.
मुझे लगता है टीचर ही है, मतलब which she is pursuing, लेकिन उसके एडवांस स्टेज में एचएम या प्रिंसिपल बन सकती थी।
क्या एडवांस स्टेज में?
एडवांस स्टेज में एचएम या प्रिंसिपल बन सकती थी। That could be the
No, her dream job was to be teacher and she is a teacher. रुचिता,
I think it's teacher as well.
बहुत टीचर्स हैं आपके
अपने
पास
सब
में।
टीचर लोग कह
सारे
रहे
टीचर्स ही हैं यहाँ पे।
सच्ची हाँ मैं वही बोल रही थी सब टीचर का ही लाइन में है
विशाख,
मम्मीज अपने बच्चे को पढ़ाते हैं ना तो वही उनका रहता है कि अच्छे टीचर ही बने।
बराबर सही
विशाख,
Lawyer.
yeah, your mother wants to be a lawyer and your mother is here. Yeah, Cheryl.
I think she's happy with her job. Nothing could be better than this.
Yeah, she has written like office job, but there's a quote in that. Her dream job is office job without tension.
Without tension.
which cannot happen also
Yeah.
Yeah. So that will always remain a dream only.
yeah, very true
That's the reason it's a dream job, right?
सही में
Next question. Your dream which you want for your son or your daughter to come true. This was the question I asked to your mother. What could be its answer?
क्या था क्वेश्चन
Your dream which you want to come true for your son or your daughter. Like this question was for your mothers. So what answer would she give? Yeah, starting with Leela.
She always wanted me to be an IAS officer.
ये आंसर नहीं बताया ना आंटी, सच बताओ.
अरे मेरा ख्वाब है वो
Yeah, she
Seriously?
wanted her
No, उसको-
daughter to be an IAS officer and she is a lawyer now. Yeah, Ashwin.
I wanted her to be an IAS officer always
Ashwin.
हाँ मेरे लिए
हाँ.
मेरे को लग रहा है आर्किटेक्ट ही है
Sorry.
an architect, maybe a designer
तो तू बन गया रे. कोई ड्रीम सोच. उनका ड्रीम सोच. She is a Caroline mother. ड्रीम सोच.
to own a gold bank.
नहीं रे. To get a good bahu.
I knew it.
Good boy.
Ruchita.
I'm not sure. Maybe something like we are always happy, something like that.
No. To like her dream that
Always
should come
achieve
to us.
whatever we want.
Yeah, her children's bright future. That's her dream to come true. So that's somewhat right at your end, like to be happy. But I can't give you a point for this, Akhil.
Okay.
To be successful in our careers and
Yes,
stand on our
he
own
wants
feet.
you to be successful. Vishak.
Be a lawyer.
No. You get a good job, bro. Cheryl.
At this stage, maybe to find the right partner for me.
Exactly. To get a good son-in-law.
I'm getting out of the house.
Okay, now the questions are to you guys. One thing that she wants from you. One thing that your mother wants from you.
मैं पूछ रहा ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन था क्या? आउट ऑफ सिलेबस.
Yeah, Leela.
मैं लिख रहा है
अच्छा, स्टोरी है ऐसे कि मम्मी लिख के दे रही है.
अरे नहीं रे बाबा देख तू मेरे पे शक मत करा That I should be obedient, sincere, I should be happy, I should respect others.
इतना सब लिख
शादी
ली
कर लो,
कोई एक बता उसमें से
obedient, sincere, happy. तू बता, choose the right option.
मैं बताऊं
हाँ,
कोई एक बता चल इसमें से कोई एक है
देखो जो पसंद है वो ले ले.
हाँ तू भी ओबीडिएंट गलत जवाब
वो तो मैं
गलत
हुई
जवाब
बचपन से.
Okay, your mother wants you to be happy.
तो बाजू बाजू में ही है रे, चलेगा.
So the same question for Ashwin.
मेरे को भी वही लगता है materialistic नहीं रहेगा कुछ भी. It should be emotion. So it will be happiness.
No, she wants you to be a good human being, bro. Ruchita.
Yeah, I do think it will be something emotional. Like, I mean, we should be always together, loving, something like that.
Yeah, somewhere you're right. She wants you to love herself and your papa.
Yeah, okay.
I can give you the point for you because you reached there somewhere. Akhil.
Okay, thank you.
Be happy. As all, सबका वही है, emotionally रहेगा, materialistic नहीं है. Be happy.
नहीं
ठीक है.
उनका जो ड्रीम है वही उनको चाहिए तेरे से. That you become successful. Vishak.
To always be with them and always take care of parents.
Yes. To take care of his parents. That's what your mother wants. Now let's see what Cheryl's mother wants. Yeah, Cheryl.
Mama, मैंने मम्मा को सब कुछ दिया है ना.
I like this point a lot.
I've given her everything that she's asked for.
Yeah, one thing that you couldn't give at any time.
Peace.
Good answer. I liked it.
Mama, I'm going to hate you for this after this, okay? I don't know. I passed. I've given her everything.
Are you just think what you are not, and you have the answer.
Not. I'm not a fool. I don't know.
She wants you to be punctual.
Tell me.
Which you are never.
Cut this, okay?
This is the main part. I'm thinking to make it the first part. So that's it, guys.
Nobody
so
knows.
This,
Whatever happens here stays here.
So with this, I think today's winner is Leela. This was not for winning or losing. This is just to know our parents, to know what our mothers want. So guys, with this, I close my today's episode. I'm not giving away any first, second or third position today. It's just love your parents, be with them, and love them as much as possible. Take care of them. It's their old age. Unko acha, good bahu, good son-in-laws do. And always be with them. That's all, guys. All the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.